Morning students, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the new chapter. The name is Playing with Numbers. But before that, one student has asked me one question of exponent which states that find the value of x for which 5 by 3 power minus 4 multiplied by 5 by 3 power minus 5 equals 5 by 3 power 3x, right? In this question you have to find out the value of x. Here both are in multiplication and bases are same, so add the powers. So 5 by 3 power minus 4 plus minus 5 equals 5 by 3 power 3x, right? So here you get 5 by 3 power minus 9 equals 5 by 3 power 3x, right? In both sides, means in left hand side and right hand side, the base is same, right? So you can equalize the powers. So you can write it as base is same, so that minus 9 equals 3x, right? So that you have equalizes the power. So have V equalizes the powers. Minus 9 is equal to 3x, then x is equal to minus 9 divided by 3, that equals minus 3. So x equals minus 3 and this is the value of x. Means this is the answer, right? You can put the value if you want to check the answer, right? Put the value of x here. You will get 3 into 3 minus 9. So in both sides the powers are also same, means we have done right, right? So by this method you can check the answers. So come to the topic. So students, in this topic we will first discuss the general form of the numbers, right? General form of numbers means 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. First we will take 2-digit numbers. A number, 2-digit number, let's take 36, right? 36, you can write it as 30 plus 6, right? In 36, you know that the 6 is unit digit and 3 is tens digit. Means it comes at tens place, it comes at unit place. So 30 plus 6, you can also write it as 10 multiplied by 3 plus 6, right? Why 10? Because it comes at tens place, right? If we take another number, suppose 47, so you can write it as 10 multiplied by 4 plus 7. If you take 90, you can write it as 10 multiplied by 9 plus 0. If you take 59, you write it as 10 multiplied by 5 plus 9, or you can take 70, then you write it as 10 multiplied by 7 plus 0, right? So we can write, after seeing so many examples, The general form of two-digit number is 10 multiplied by A plus B, right? Where B is the unit digit and A is the tens digit, right? This is the general form of the two-digit number, right? Come to three-digit number. So in three-digit number, the three-digit number, suppose we take 394, right? This is a three-digit number. This is a unit place digit, tens place digit, and hundred place digit. You can write it as 300 plus 90 plus 4. That is also, you can write it as 100 into 3 plus 10 into 9 plus 4, right? Or you can take another example, suppose 607. So you can write it as 600 plus 7. So here the tens place digit is not present, right? So 100 into 6 plus, you can also write it as 10 into 0 plus 7, right? So if we are generalizing it, the general form of three-digit number is 100 into A plus 10 into B plus C, right? Means C is the unit place digit, B is the tens place digit, and A is the hundredth place digit. So now we are going to take word problems to understand this topic. So the question reads as, in a two-digit number, the units digit is 4 times the tens digit and the sum of the digit is 10. Find the number. So it is given that unit digit is 4 times the tens digit. So let the tens digit be A. Therefore, the unit digit B, that is 4 times the tens digit. So 4 multiplied by A means 4A, right? And it is also given that sum of the digit is 10, means A plus 4A equals 10, right? And one thing you also have to mention, means the number. Therefore, the number, you know the general form of the number is 10A plus B. 10A plus B. So put A means 10 digit. So 10 multiplied by A plus B means 4A. So 10A plus 4A, that is 14A. So 14A is the number. So A plus 4A is equal to 10. It is given that sum of the digit is 10. So 5A equals 10. A equals 10 divided by 5, that equals 2. So A equals 2. Put the value of A in the number. So number is 14A, that is 14 multiplied by 2, that equals 28, and that is the answer, right? So come to next question. So the question reads as, the sum of digits of a two-digit number is 8. The number obtained by interchanging its digits is 18 more than the original number. Find the original number. So let the tens digit, the tens place digit is A and unit digit B, B. Therefore, number or original number, you know that if the tens place digit is A and unit place digit is B, the number is 10A plus B. And after interchanging the digits, we get what we get means B become tens place digit and A becomes unit digit. So the number is 10B plus A, right? And the question is saying the number obtained by interchanging its digits is 18 more than the original number. So if the original number is means according to question, the original number is 10A plus B and the number which is obtained by interchanging its digit is 10B plus A, and this number is 18 more than the original number. So either you can subtract 18 from this side if you want to equalize it, or you can add 18, right? So if we add 18 here, both the numbers are equal, right? So 10A plus B means this is the original number plus 18 equals the number which is obtained after interchanging the digit. So if this moves to right hand side, 18 equals 10B plus A minus 10A plus B, right? So you can also write it as, take it as left hand side, and this is also right hand side. So I am writing it into left hand side. So 10B plus A minus 10A plus B equals 18. Open the bracket. 10B plus A minus 10A minus B equal 18, right? So you get 10B minus B means 9B minus 9A equals 18. 9 is common, divided by 9 both sides. Divide by 9 in both sides. You get B minus A equals 2, right? And one more thing, the first statement means first line is saying the sum of the digit of two digit number is 8. Sum of digit of a two digit number is 8, means A plus B equals 8. And you have an equation means B minus A equals 2. Suppose this was equation 1, this was equation 2. Equalize it or add this equation, add 1 plus 2. What you will get? A plus B minus A equal 8 plus 2, right? So A plus B minus A. So open the bracket. A plus B minus A equals 10. A cancels, so 2B is equal to 10. B is equal to 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So B equal to 5, right? Put the value of B into equation 1. So you know the equation 1 was A plus B is equal to 8. Put the value of B is equal to 5 in equation 1. What we get? A plus 5 is equal to 8. So A is equal to 8 minus 5, that equals 3. So we get A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. number was, means the original number was a 10a plus b. So 10 multiplied by 3 plus 5, that is 30 plus 5 equals 35, right? That is the original number, right? Come to next question. So the question reads as, in a 3-digit number, the hundredths digit is twice the tens digit, and while the unit digit is thrice the tens digit, also the sum of the digit is 18. So find the number, right? So in this question, means the hundred digit is also comparing with tens digit, and unit digit is also comparing with tens digit. So let the tens digit be, suppose, a, right? Therefore hundredths digit be what? Twice. So 2a. And unit digit is thrice the tens digit. So unit digit is 3 into tens digit, means 3a. And also the sum of the digit is 18. So sum of the digit is equal to 18. So 2a, hundredths digit plus tens digit plus unit digit equals 18. So 2, 1, 3, 3, 6. 6a is equal to 18. So a is equal to 18 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So a equals 3. So tens place digit is 3. Hundredths digit is 2a, that is 2 into 3, that is 6, and unit digit is 3a, that is 3 into 3, 9. And you know the number of 3-digit number, the general form is 100a plus 10b plus c, where a is 100 place digit, b is tens place digit, and c is ones place digit or unit place digit. Put the values, you will get 100 into 6 plus 10 into 3 plus 9. So that is 639. That is the answer, right? So here the two questions are written on the board. So first question reads as, the unit digit of a 2-digit number is 3 and 7 times the sum of the digits is the number itself. Find the number, right? And second question read as, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 15 and the number obtained by interchanging its digits exceeds the given number by 9. Find the original number. So you have to solve it and send the solution. Alright. So dear students, we have completed the first part of the playing with numbers. In second part, we will discuss the divisibility rules of the numbers, right? Till then, stay safe, stay at home and practice the mathematics. Thank you very much. Take care.